Going on international holidays is now easier than ever. There are multiple destinations that one can choose from. Hi, this is Ishani. I'm the co-founder of a boutique travel agency called Scrable, and this is our official channel. Talking of international holidays, you have to just open your Pinterest feed or Instagram and you will go down this rabbit hole of mesmerizing locations. Makes you feel like just packing your bags and leaving, right? But for international travel, the thing that trips up most people is the visa process. So today, I want to talk about 5 common mistakes that people make while applying for a visa. Mistake number 1, putting an incorrect name. Yes, you heard that right. You must be wondering what I'm talking about. You obviously know your own name. Why will you put an incorrect name? But what people don't realize is that the name you put in all documents related to your visa application, like the covering letter, your leave letter from your office, your invitation letter, should all match the name on your passport exactly. And by exactly, I mean exactly. As you can see in my passport, my name comes as Ishani Suyash Sule. That means that in no letter can I write it as Ishani Sule. Mistake number 2. Providing insufficient supporting documents. There are multiple documents that you will need to provide while applying for a visa. Documents like financial statements, travel itineraries, or invitation letters, or acceptance letters, or employer contracts as the case may be. Forgetting even one document can lead to a rejection. Mistake number 3. Ignoring visa-specific guidelines. There are multiple visa categories like tourist visa, work visa, business visa, student visa, and many more. If you do not do your research properly, you may not understand the requirements that pertain to your category of visa. This can result in an incomplete or incorrect application, or you may even choose the wrong category. A doctor going for a conference. Is that a business visa or a tourist visa? Similarly, every country has a different list of documents required. Mistake number 4. Providing insufficient financial proof. Most visas require proof that you can support yourself financially for the duration of your stay. You will need to provide clear and comprehensive financial statements. You must ensure all your financial documents are up to date and meet the visa officer's standards. Mistake number 5. Not seeking professional advice. I cannot stress this point enough. Look, there is so much that can go wrong. I have seen visas getting rejected for completely avoidable mistakes. Going through the entire process of visa application can be super confusing and overwhelming for anyone. Why put yourself through that when you can come to experts like us? We are just one phone call away. Here are the 5 common mistakes made during visa applications. Scrable offers you customized tour solutions with end-to-end assistance. Visit our website for more information. Keep traveling, keep exploring.